What's up guys, Brian with the SoCo Customs YouTube channel. Today we have a 2020 RAM 1500 Tradesman in this beautiful blue color. But first, let's get into that housekeeping we always talk about. For those of you that are returning, make sure to click that bell symbol so that you don't miss out on any of the content that we are producing. Click the thumbs up. For those of you that are brand new, make sure to click the thumbs up and the subscribe button. Click that bell symbol and leave a comment because it makes sure that it gets it in front of eyes just like yours, folks that are brand new. Let's check this out. This 2020 RAM 1500 went up on the rough country kit, the 3.5-inch kit. This is a great kit. Doesn't include a cross member drop, so you're not chopping into your truck. Gives this truck a great ride and a great stance. Fits the 33s just perfect. The wheels are the 20x9 black Rhino Barstow in the matte black. This is a positive 12 offset. The tires are the 33-12-50 Klever RTs. We're obviously huge fans of those here. Great in snow, won't give you too much noise on the road, but do have the aggressive looks and the aggressive performance that you need. The customer wanted the fender flares matched black to the black accents on the truck. Crawford's Customs and Collision, they took care of that for us. We also went with the black rivets on those. Those are available from Rough Country as well. Let's take a look at that build sheet. All right guys, Brian, SoCo Customs signing off on another great build from SoCo Customs. Make sure to click that thumbs up, make sure to click the bell symbol, and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Cheers.